Today we're going to be making a Holdfast. This right here is a 3/4 inch for a 3/4 inch hole on this Harbor Freight anvil. Quite simply, these things are for holding stuff. You just hammer them in and you can work on the item without it falling off. We're going to be making a 5/8 Holdfast out of 5/8 sucker rod. This sucker rod is low to medium carbon. They are perfect for their hardness and flexibility. Okay, now we're going to turn these sucker rods into Holdfast. Now this is a lower carbon steel, so we can just go ahead and quench this whole thing. I prefer to use vegetable oil. It's inexpensive, it's easy to get, and it leaves a nice color on all the work I do. I don't have expensive equipment, so I just throw this inside the small toaster oven and let it sit. It'll temper there at about 450 degrees for the next couple of hours. Okay, we've got one of the completed Holdfast right here. I'm gonna give it a few whacks as hard as I can, stress test it, see what happens. Alright, hit stop. Okay, as you can see, it's perfectly fine. There's no cracks. You see a little bit of scarring where it rubbed up against the anvil, but it's perfectly fine. I've hit it about a dozen times. No damage whatsoever. Solid. This thing's got some good spring to it. Alright, this is a piece of AR 500. This Holdfast is not meant to be able to hold something this large, but let's see if it'll handle it. No damage whatsoever, sprung back into shape. Alrighty, so now we've shown off these things and what they can do. I've got them for sale in my store right now in both 3/4 inch and 5/8. Go ahead and go check them out. Y'all have a good one.